So today I'll show you how to create a site and make it look kind of like this. First of all, you'll need to open Google Sites, for which you'll need to go to Google, go all the way down to More from Google. Now you need to browse all products in Google, and that's when you click Sites and create a blank site. So first things first, I'll need to add a title to my site. That will go over here. Now I go over here and write the name of my site. So we need a theme for this site, and I'm going to create my custom theme. There are themes provided below. So over here, I will keep the theme's name. I can add a logo from my computer or from Google. And for above the site, I can add a banner image. So over here, the colors for the theme are provided. You can either use some colors from here or you can create custom colors. Or here, I'll change my fonts. This is for the titles and this is for the body text. And this is my theme. So I'll show you how to add elements in this, and the first element we'll add is an image for our banner. So we can upload the image or we can select a pre-Google image. Or here they have gallery, and over here you can search up images. So I'm going to use this image and select. Now you can use any other image, and yeah, I'll add a text box here by double clicking. In text box, I can change the font from here. I can change different types of fonts from over types of text from over here. I can have a heading or a subheading. I can change the size of the font from here. I can bold it, italicize it, underline it, change its color, add a link, and many more. So I'll add my content over here. Now, once you double click it, you can have many other options, such as you can add images, you can add embedded links, you can add things from your drive, or you can upload things. The same options are over here, and you can use extra content blocks over here to create better looking sites. In the content blocks, you can add images and you can add description text. Now, below the content box, there are different options which you can use for different things. I would like for you to explore them, but I'm not going to tell you what these do in this video. So the next step in creating a site is to create its pages. So you go to the pages tab and you click this. Now, actually don't click it yet, just hover over it. You can add a new page. You can add a link which will take you to another page afterwards. And you can add an embedded page or you can add a menu section. First, let's check out the page. So I'll keep the page's name page. And yeah, in page you can type anything you want and add content blocks. Now let's check out link. So let's link this to our homepage and name it Take Home. Now you can link this to real life websites too, so this is really helpful. And done. Now we'll add an embedded page where you can add links to make it go to another section, but right now we're just going to create it. You can add from your drive, and as I said before, you can add a link. A menu section, though, is different from all of these. In a menu section, you can add sub pages under it. So let's say I want to add a page under the menu section. I just need to make this rectangle and drop it in here so that I can make an arrow. Now you can do this with a normal page too by doing this, but I'm doing this with the menu section because with the menu section, even if I click on the menu section, nothing happens. If I do this to a page, if I click on the page, it will take me to that page that I clicked on. So menu sections are really helpful in that way. So before we exit, I'll show you how to use your menu properly. So the menu is the top, the bar over here, and yeah. So first, let me show you more. So in more, there are different options, and some options are version history, make a copy, and take a tour. So take a tour basically explains how to use the site properly. Make a copy just creates another copy for the site if you need to back it up. And version history shows the currently edited sites and their specific time period. Now when I click the settings option, I can change the navigation from top there to side over here. I can also add logos, tools for the tools for the sites. I can add a domain for the site, such as google.com. I can add analytics, but for that you'll need an analytic account. And I can add a banner on top of the site, such as this. Now you can preview your site using this. To exit out of preview, you can click X. And last but not least, you can do undo and redo. To publish your site, you can just put in a web address such as sample site. Yeah, it needs to be a unique name. So, yeah, or here also you can buy a domain and you can manage whoever views your site. I have put it to public site, but you can put it to a restricted site or which basically allows only people you want to see. Then you can click done over here. You can request public engines such as Google and Yahoo not to display your site and hit publish. Once the site's published, there are some options such as changing your publish settings, such as your name and all that stuff, reviewing your changes for the change site, such as let's say I added sample 1 and I wanted to change that. I can go review changes and publish and change it over here and publish it once again. I can also view the published site and I can unpublish my site. That's all, and